Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel HelloFresh on app. In this quick tutorial, let's walk through how to cancel your HelloFresh subscription using the app. First, make sure the HelloFresh app is installed on your mobile device and open it. Log into your account, then look at the bottom right corner for the gear icon to access settings. In the settings menu, scroll to the support section where you'll find the subscription option. Tap on it, then select the cancel button. The app may ask you to provide a reason for canceling, but you can skip the step. Make sure to carefully follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Once confirmed, your HelloFresh subscription will be successfully ended and you will receive a notification or email confirming the change. It's simple, quick, and ensures you won't be charged for future deliveries. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.